lapho ngize ngakhumbula noLokhojana uzwane uphi
akamthanda uThembazwane.
Bengekho
uThembazwane
nasesitshini.
wathatha uKhadoso wamisa kwi-final. Omdlala phethu ngama-minute less than 12 wa-create chance ukwenzeka i-on goal. Then emva lokho mase kuyodlala i-final uzombhentsha home nawe uThembazwane ngeke kwazi ukumelana nale midlalo le ye-CAF because inzima and uThemba semdala. But it's the same person okuyisele lapha une-experience uyena same Thembazwane okuyise kwi-final.
kusho ukuthi kungenzeka ukuthi unocwasanyana
Awathanda
cause uke wamfaka as a substitute second half cishe emidlalweni emibili ewu3 or 4 edlule engena ikwanyakaza lapha yana kwanyakaza acreate ama chance yabo wanyakaza lapha umshishi obefuneka azodrive lapha yana kuphume into ephathekayo ku-attackwe kungene Lokhojana igoli ibesikhona ispace sakhe besikhona.
I mean, uKhadoso doesn't believe lama player lawa eSwazini like ngathi akayazi Sundowns. Uyayazi Sundowns. Ngathi udlala ngobungani nanokuthi if you don't look like Khadoso